Jeepneys are one of the Philippines' most recognizable cultural symbols.
Tinuldukan na niya ang pag-asa ng ilan.
Drivers would need to earn around 6,000 to 7,000 pesos.
Wala na pong extension yung modernization.
In the heart of the Philippines, amidst the chaos of urban streets and the serenity of rural landscapes, a cultural icon weaves its way through the tapestry of daily life, the jeepney. To many, it's merely a mode of transportation, but to the Filipino people, it is a living artifact, a testament to resilience, creativity, and community. For decades, the jeepney has been more than just a vehicle. It's a canvas upon which the Filipino identity is painted in vivid colors and intricate designs. Born out of post-World War II necessity, these repurposed military jeeps have undergone a metamorphosis, evolving into vibrant symbols of Filipino culture. With all that being said, it is difficult to deny that jeepneys are deeply ingrained in our culture and identity. While the modern world is quickly progressing and lawmakers are pushing for more modernized jeepneys, is it possible that our traditional jeepneys are slowly being replaced and worse, forgotten?
Ano pong masasabi niya sa jeepney phase out?
Hindi, ang masasabi ko sana ay magpisaw.
May malaki talagang kawalan sa amin niya.
Maraming mga walang trabaho. Na dyan umaasa, pinampambubuhay sa kanilang pamilya.
According to Inquirer.net, modern jeepneys would cost around 1.6 million to 2.4 million, and drivers would need to earn around 6,000 to 7,000 a day if they should acquire it. For an average person, this sum is significant, especially considering that some drivers only rent from operators and earn through a boundary system, while others have invested in a substantial amount to purchase their own jeepneys. Buying a new, modernized vehicle could cost nearly 3 to 4 times as much as a traditional jeepney.
Simula po nang nagkameron po ng jeepney phase out at saka po mga modern jeep sa kalsada katulad ng Batrasco, since nasa Batangas nga po tayo, paano po naapektuhan yung pamamasada nyo?
Paano naapektuhan? Naapektuhan ng kita, nawawalang kita. Tulad yan, sa kanila nasa kayang pasahero.
Maganda kasi ang Batrasco eh.
Sa amin sasakay lang pag siguro pag nagtitipid. Siyempre, yun lang.
The new competitor really made their mark when it comes to transportation. These jeepney drivers have been earning well enough before, but ever since the modernized jeepneys arrived, most of the commuters prefer the new public utility vehicle.
Dahil nga po nagkameron ng jeepney modernization, ang balita ko po ay parang 2.4 million po yata yung magagastos para sa modern jeep. Ano pong masasabi niyo doon?
Per milyon ang kada unit.
2.4 million daw po.
Ang mababa naman siguro, makakakuha ba? Masyadong mataas yun.
While the intention of the government for implementing this program is for the betterment of our country's road safeness and also for the environment, it's very evident that even though the jeepney modernization started 7 years ago, our government hasn't fully prepared for all the possible outcomes we're facing now. While the program might have good points, it's important to remember that most of the jeepney drivers are part of the lower to middle class sector, and they're the ones who are most affected by these changes.
Ang magandang solusyon dyan sa modernization na yan, dapat hindi na nila tinuloy yan. Payag kami na mag-modernization. Basta kami mga driver, bigyan ng tamang panghanap buhay.
Dapat nila, dagdagan lugod nila yung price ng pamasahe, luwagan nila ang sa highway, hindi yung panting pagkakamali, huli. Diba? Sila pa kumikita sa kaysa sa amin. Kasi pag panay ang huli, doon lang nakapunta ang kita namin. Pero pag ipipis out, maraming mawalang trabaho. Kasi maraming driver na umahasa sa ganitong jeep.
In my point of view, as one of the people who might get affected by this situation, I firmly believe that if the government really wants to execute this program as soon as possible, they should either provide the modernized jeeps or fund the jeepney driver and operator to improve their own jeepneys. We don't really need to scrap the body of the vehicles that we currently have, but instead, we can try to restore it by giving it a better engine, specifically a Euro 4 engine, and a better body. That way, modern jeepneys did not only help lessen the pollution, but also still looks exactly the same as our traditional jeepneys.